Hey guys, welcome back to Hustling Minds. In this video, I'm gonna cover what is Printify, how you can earn money with it, and how to connect your Etsy shop to Printify step by step. So don't skip any part and watch the full video. If you are new here, my name is Ashi, and in this channel I share all about print on demand and other legit and proven ways to earn online. So subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find this useful. And hey, don't forget to participate in our weekly giveaway and get free graphic bundles and niche ideas. The link is in the description. If you know what is print on demand business model, that's great. For those who don't know what POD is, let me give you a short intro about it. So as a seller, you will be uploading your designs on products like t-shirts and mugs and post those products on your online shop. It may be Etsy, Shopify or any other online platform. Your store will be connected to a print on demand service. So when a customer orders a product through your store, your order will be automatically fulfilled by the printing service. They will print and deliver the product to your customer. That's it, simple. You don't need to invest a lot of money in print on demand business. In fact, you can start with zero money based on the platform you are going to use. Okay, with that said, let's see about Printify. So there's the link for the website in the description. Click on that and you will be taken to the Printify homepage. Printify is a print service provider. When you connect your online shop to Printify, your order will be automatically fulfilled. So there's a lot of POD websites like this new, Printful, Custom Cat and more. But Printify is different from others. For example, let's take Printful. Printful will print on their own products and handle everything by themselves. But Printify is a platform that connects the sellers with many print companies. So Printify has more than 60 print providers. You can choose any company you want based on their location and what features they are offering. Okay, let's see the features of Printify. So Printify has more than 300 products. You can sell a lot of customized products. It is easy to upload your designs and generate mockups. If you want a sample of a product, you can order it for yourself and check the quality and everything. Then you can sell it to your customer if you are satisfied. You can integrate Printify with many e-commerce platforms like Wix, Shopify and more. You can also track your orders easily. If you have any doubts or if you need any help, just click on this chat icon here and you can ask their support person and you will get instant replies. So let's check their catalog. They have men's clothing, women's, kids, accessories and many items in home and living. You can also check their print providers and what brands they are offering. They have varieties of t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, sportswears and more. Then in accessories, they have face mask, phone case, socks and bags. And in home and living, they have mugs, posters, sticker and even for pets. You can get into the pet niche and start selling customized pet products in your store if you are interested. Before we create an account, let's talk about pricing. Comparing to other POD sites, I think Printify gives us for a reasonable price. For example, let's take this Bella Canvas t-shirt. The starting price for this t-shirt is $7.64 without including the shipping price. Let's take a look at the same t-shirt in Printful. So the starting price here is $12.95 without shipping cost. Although Printful's price is high, the quality and delivery service will be great. But as a beginner, we can earn a couple of dollars extra with Printify. So let's take a look on Etsy. So the average price for a t-shirt is $16 without the shipping cost. So if we buy for $7.64 and sell it for $16, we get $8.36. So we get around 600 rupees profit per t-shirt. Printify offers 3 plans: free, premium and enterprise. If you subscribe to the premium plan at $25, you will get 20% discount on all orders. But when you are just getting started, you can go with the free plan and later upgrade it to the premium as you get many orders so that you can get more profit. Okay, click on this link and click on sign up button. Enter your email and password and verify the CAPTCHA and click sign up. Choose artist or designer here. Then yes, I have an online store. And here I'm just getting started. It's just for their survey, so it's not a big deal. So we have created a Printify account. Before we do these, let's add our personal details first. Fill in your business name, contact details, address, and then save it. Then go to payments and add your payment method. So this is where your transaction, invoice and withdrawal details will show. You should have a debit or credit card which can make international transaction. Whenever you get an order, Printify will take the product charges from your card automatically. You can also connect your PayPal account and add some money to your Printful wallet. When you get many orders, you can use this method. It will be really useful. Then go to your mail and confirm your Printify account. Okay, then come back to this page, click on Indirect Taxes and go to Etsy Sales Tax. Etsy will collect sales tax from your customer for you. So if you fill this form here, Printify will not charge you the sales tax. So give a job title and click on this. Just draw your signature here and click Done. And then submit it. You can download this if you need. Okay, now let's connect the store. Go to My Stores and click Connect. As you can see, you can connect Printify to 7 other e-com platforms. Now we are connecting to Etsy. Give allow access here. So now our Etsy store is connected. Go back to My Store and let's give a name to this store. Click on the settings icon here, give a name and save it. Let's go back to the store and add products. Click on Create Product and choose any product you like. I am choosing a unisex t-shirt here. So these are the print providers that are available for this t-shirt. And this number here is ranking. Printify gives ranking for these companies based on their quality and performance. You can filter these companies based on their ranking, product price and shipping here. So here it will show the company's location, price and production time, what colors they are offering and what sizes are available with them. So based on these, you can choose which print provider you want. If you get an order from UK, you can choose a company from the same location. The customer will also receive the product soon. Now I am choosing Monster Digital. This is where you will be uploading your design. Now we need a design for this t-shirt. So I mostly use Creative Fabrica to download designs, mockups and fonts. You also get POD license to use them. So this is my shop on Creative Fabrica. I have given the link in the description, so you can go and check it out. You can download this single design for $4 and use it, or you can subscribe for $19 and download unlimited graphics files and more. If you are interested, try this out and share your views in the comments. So I'm downloading this design. This will be in a zip file. So extract the zip file. So we will be uploading the PNG file format. But if you want to edit the image, you can click on the EPS file and edit it. You can drag and drop your design here or click on the add design here. Then upload your design. Resize and place the design in the correct position. Or you can use these tools to align the design. You can also print the design on the back side of the t-shirt. Click here to add more designs or to add a text. So all the designs that you upload will be saved in My Library, so you can use it whenever you want. And here you can select the colors that you want to offer. Click on Price and Variants. Here you can untick the size that you don't want to sell. So after you finish, preview the design once and then save the product. Now the product has been created but not yet published. If you want to edit the design, you can click on this brush icon here and edit it. You can also copy and duplicate this product. And the delete option is here. Now go to edit listing and enter the product title and description. Then pricing. This is the base cost and this is the price that we are going to sell on Etsy. So price will vary based on color and size. So you can select all the variants and edit the profit here. For example, I need $5 profit. So the price will change automatically. Or you can edit the profit margin. Say 40% per t-shirt. Or you can sell at a flat rate for all the variants. If you want to charge more for 3XL size, you can select the variant and edit the price. If you enable this option, this product will be in the drafts section of your Etsy store. Then shipping profile. You can create a new shipping profile for this product or you can select an existing one from this option. So I am selecting the t-shirt option. So do this step carefully. If you pick the wrong one, the shipping price, delivery time and everything will show wrong. Then click publish. Now your product will be active on Etsy. So that's it. I covered almost everything about Printify. If you have any doubts regarding this, ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos like this. The winners of a weekly giveaway will be announced on our Facebook and Instagram page, so don't forget to follow our page too. Thank you.